Hey everyone, today I'm back in the garage to talk about one of the coolest vices to come through the shop in quite some time. This is the Yost MV-5, a 5-inch multi-purpose homeowners vise that's packed with some surprises as well. As always, if you want more information on this product, click the link in the description or at the end of the video. When setting up a shop, one of the most heavily used, practical, and often overlooked tools is the humble bench vise. And it shouldn't be, because it's a crucial part of your workflow when cutting, grinding, clamping other tools, or even being an impromptu press or break. We've been there. Knowing that, the MV-5 design starts with a heavy-duty 30,000 PSI cast iron construction that can withstand the abuse of any project and keep on kicking. The next key metric is its size. The jaws on the MV-5 are 5 inches wide, open at 2.9 inches, and have a throat depth of 2.62 inches. It can hold anything square in that range, as well as clamp round from 1/4 inch up to 2 inches. It's not the mightiest of vices, but it's going to be able to support most DIY guys on their projects with some room to spare. Now, I mentioned this being able to hold pipe, but here's where the MV-5 has some extra engineering come into play. The jaws on this vise feature horizontal and vertical V channels, which allow for clamping round objects both horizontally and vertically. Traditional vise jaws will mar pipe, deform it, or just pop round objects out when it's trying to hold them down. But the MV-5 can do it no problem, and it also has traditional cast pipe jaws located below as well, giving you maximum versatility. While we're checking out the jaws, we can also get into the next innovation on this vise, which is the multi-function, 4 removable, top-mounted jaw dogs. First, these jaw dogs are going to increase the clamping width of your vise from 2.9 inches all the way up to 7 inches for square objects or 10 inches for round objects. This means your 5-inch bench vise can hold a 2x6 plank, large plumbing pipe, small wheels, and much more. As I mentioned, this is going to handle pretty much everything that you'll run into in a small garage. Beyond expanding your clamping ability, the jaw dogs also double as a metal bender for up to 1/4 inch mild steel. So if you need to create a quick L bracket or bend a piece of transmission linkage precisely, you won't need to bust out any other tools. And when you're finished with those extra large or wonky projects, pop out the jaw dogs and put them aside, leaving you with your normal badass vise. On top of the bonus features, the MV-5 still has everything that makes the Yost vise so great. No pinch main screw handle, 360 swivel base, and a generously sized integrated anvil, so you have the room to persuade those pesky projects in whatever position you need. So if you're looking for the perfect vise for your home garage that is highly durable, has the ability to clamp extra large round or square objects horizontally and vertically, and is backed by a 1-year warranty, then look no further than the Yost MV-5. Now, if you like the MV-5, but it's not quite the right size, don't worry, we have tons of high-quality vise options from small to large to help outfit every shop just right. For more info on any of our vise options, just head over to eastwood.com.